Hey everyone, so this is my first time doing this and I get a lot of questions about my makeup, so I thought I would hop on here and share with you some new beauty finds that I found, if that makes sense. So Ulta's doing their 21 days of beauty and they have some great sales right now. So I've been going to Ulta for the last 3 days in a row and picking up some great finds. The first thing that I got was the Becca First Light Priming Filter Primer, obviously. So I haven't even opened it up yet. And it looks like this is what we got. Has a pump, great, easy to use. The purple will help with more illuminating skin and help brighten up your skin as well. So I decided to try it. Also, I got this Morphe bronzer, which I haven't even taken out of the package yet. Morphe just launched these and it's great. I've tried my other one, which I grabbed the other day in a different color. This one's called Megastar, and then this one I got, which was Icon. So I'm gonna give them a try. Definitely, I love all of Morphe's products. I'm going to go ahead and try that one. And then this one I got from BH Cosmetics. I was looking for a good highlighter, and I really thought that these ones were pretty. Plus, it was with a blush palette as well. So they're super smooth. This one was my favorite so far, and they just go on super easy. Glisten was my favorite. Sunkissed and Ember. Obviously I haven't done this yet. Are gonna be pretty too. Let's swatch this one and see what we get. Yeah, love. I feel like someone's listening to me. I also got this Makeup Revolution new primer set glow spray. It's got some gold in it. It's illuminating. You know, with summer coming, I wanted it to be nice and glowy. Also got the other Becca primer. It is just regular. Oh wait, no, this was the new foundation I got. Yes, I'm so excited. So we'll see. I'm gonna try this new Becca, at least new to me, foundation. Again, everything's on sale at Ulta right now. So it's been super fun. Another new highlighter I got. Wet n Wild, super inexpensive. Oh! It's super inexpensive. It almost feels like it's like wet. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but it's so pretty. It was $4. I mean, you can't beat it. And then Total Old School Paint Pot, soft ochre. You know, I do a lot of weddings. I wanted to get it to for a lid primer. So, and there's someone over here that wants to chat. All right, everyone, thanks for listening. If you have any questions, shoot me a DM, and I'd love to give you any feedback.
Oh, and a thing, and this is actually, there's a paint color called yellow ochre, and I'm actually painting right now. And I think I have a color, actually, I think I might have yellow ochre, and this one is
soft ochre.
Soft ochre. So
Bye, have a good day, everyone.